Meaning of IFF.
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 IFF. IFF is a commonly used abbreviation for if and only if, which is a logical operator used in mathematics and other fields to indicate that two statements are equivalent. In other words, IFF implies that the truth of one statement is dependent upon the truth of another statement, and vice versa. The operator is often used to clarify logical relationships between propositions or to prove mathematical theorems. It is also sometimes used in computer science and programming to express conditional relationships between code statements. Overall, IFF is a useful shorthand for indicating the strict equivalence of two statements.